Hey guys, today I would like to show you how to use Waves RetroFi. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. The song is by Yesmo and Toyota Lazy. I opened the return track and I have Waves RetroFi, and I'm gonna start by setting it to our host BPM, which is 174. We'll set our mix dial to max and we'll leave this dial at 0 for now. We'll set our reverb time to 1.8. I'm gonna change the styler to 70s. I'm gonna push my tone to 8. I'll set my noise levels to cassette free, and we are ready to listen to it. Before. After. Let's listen to it in context. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.